The call auction is now available. You can see all created orders here, as well as potential prices. If you want to prepare in advance, go to Sell, enter your desired price, and the amount of DOCs, and create an order. If you do this, your order will be available at the start of trading. Consequently, it could be completed quickly if the price is competitive and acceptable to other buyers. I prefer to sell after the trading opens, so I will wait again and return when trading starts. Now I can sell my tokens, open the Sell tab. I want to sell at the current market price, so I select the maximum amount of DOCs and click Sell DOCs. Done. I can see my completed order in the order history. Next, I can return to my assets, and I see that I now have 77 USDT in my trading balance. I can transfer this to my funding account to withdraw it elsewhere if needed. Subscribe if you found this video valuable. This marks the end of the logical path for most tokens lifecycle. Thanks to everyone who followed along with me, as I've been creating videos about DOCs from the very beginning. See you in the next video.